So they also have iPhone 17 Pro. iPhone 17 Pro. Handy pa din. Very handy. Ito yung mga kulay. Cosmic orange, may deep blue, may silver. May 256GB, 512, may 1TB. And this is the price. 79,990. They also have 94,990. That's it for 512GB. Meron ding 109,990. So, ito yung iPhone. This is what I like about iPhone. Very handy. So, ito yung camera quality. So, this is the main camera. Wala namang pinagkaiba sa iPhone Air at iPhone 17. Puro magaganda talaga sila, yung quality ng camera. Now, let's take a video. Medyo mas mahal lang siya, guys. So, ito yung kaniyang ganda. Grabe. Ang iPhone 17 Pro. Maganda siya, guys. Napakalinaw. Grabe. Ang ganda ng quality talaga ng iPhone. Super. Grabe. Wala akong masabi, guys. Pang vlog. Ideal for vlogging. Kaganda niya, oh. So that's for iPhone 17 Pro. Wala silang masyadong nilagay dito ng mga specification. But I will try to research. Sa mga specification ng mga newest phone ng iPhone.